Children, the member of legislative assemblies are elected directly by the people. Once the assembly is dissolved, the election commission announces the program for general election to the state assembly, and the procedure is more or less than the same in case of assembly election. Now, who can be the elected to the legislative assembly? A person should be a citizen of India and a voter in any constituency of that state, not less than 25 years of age. In case of a seat reserved for scheduled caste or scheduled tribes, a member any of those caste or tribes. Children, from bill to act. Now let's see become how bill come in action. So the process of making and passing laws is called legislation, and the house where this takes place is known as legislature. Our representatives both at center and the state, MLAs, MCs, MLCs, MPs are the people involved in the law making process, and that is why they are called legislators. चिल्ड्रन, जो लॉज पार्लियामेंट बनाती है होल नेशन के लिए, सिमिलरली जो लॉज बनते हैं लेजिस्लेटिव असेंबली में, दे आर एप्लीकेबल ओनली इन अ पर्टिकुलर स्टेट. Children, what are the steps involved in the process of making law? Let's see. Children, a bill or the draft of a proposed law is introduced either in the legislative assembly or in the legislative council of that state. It is discussed in the house, and if some changes or amendments are there, then it is done before it is put to vote. If the bill is passed, it is sent to the governor for approval. It becomes an act only after the governor sign it. There are various types of bills like money bills, financial bills, can be introduced only in the legislative assemblies. State functionaries. Now we will see the function of governor. Children, the governor of the state is the nominal head of the executive. He or she is appointed by the president and hold office for a term of 5 years during the pleasure of the president. It means that the governor can be removed by the president at any time. The term can be extended as well. To be eligible for the post of governor, a person must be a citizen of India and at least 35 years of age. He or she cannot be a member of parliament or state legislature or hold any salaried government post. Now let's see the power and function of the governor. Children, the power and function of the governor are similar to those of the president, but at the state level. The governor appoints the chief minister and other ministers, the chairperson and members of a state public service commission and advocate general. Children, the first session of the state legislature opens with the governor address. The governor has the power to summon a session of the state legislature or to end one. Children, all bills passed by the state legislature have to be approved and signed by the governor. And if needed, the governor can hold back a bill and send it for the president's consideration. One certain occasion when the state legislature is not in session, the governor issues order called ordinances. Children, the governor also possesses certain discretionary power, means he or she can make some decision without consulting the council of ministers. If the ruling government has lost the confidence of legislative assembly or the government machinery has broken down, the governor can recommend president's rule in the state. In such cases, the governor runs the state administration on the instruction of the president.